A few minutes ago, I had an opportunity to speak with the Honorable Mayor of the Norwest City, and he was telling me about the rich history and culture of this 400-year-old city. So, as we know and understand that for every country or any local land to survive and come up forward, we fight through democracy, human rights, rule of law against injustices done, and to protect the goal for the innocent people who are not able to hold up their rights up to that mark. Sikh community since 1947 has been struggling, and till date the struggle is going on. I don't see that if we are being counted as a rebellious community, but we are a rebellion in a good way. So we try to uphold the human rights, religious freedom, and rule of law for all the communities, any of the minority community out there in the world. That's what we have been doing here in the United States of America, and any of the Western world, and any of the other part of the world wherever we have lived. And we try to embrace the values. And we are very thankful to the city of Norwich, to the state of Connecticut, the officials from the federal, state, and local level who has recognized this day, April 29, 1986. It's an historic day in the Sikh history. And I believe that the Sikh struggle should go on, and with every new day, a new challenge is being presented. Although we have a rich history behind us, we have, as my dear colleague, Dr. Bhupinder Singh, he's actually an encyclopedia. So he was putting us through the various time frames with which the Sikh community has struggled and successfully overcome. But this time is presenting us with altogether new challenge, and the ideology which we are fighting in, it tends to polarize your brain. So we are not fighting with any political system out there. So the unity of the community is of extreme and utter importance. And although our political struggle goes on, but the community will continue to strive economically, culturally, socially, in any piece of land they are on, whether they are in at the local, state, and federal level, any part of the country, any part of the world. Thank you so much, and I thank the Norwich City Council members, Sardas Ranjit Singh Khalsa, for letting us have this opportunity to be here today, and thank you.